This crazy quilt right here is the inspiration for what I'm going to do with and on my gel press using an 8x10 and the Petites set A and B. Okay, so the Crazy Quilt has a lot of different colors and textures and fabrics going on, but I'm gonna just go with one color scheme. I'm gonna try the monochromatic thing. And because I live in New Hampshire, northern New Hampshire, our trees have started to change. It's fall, and so I've chosen orange to be the color for this thing that I have no idea what I'm doing. So I've pulled out all different kinds. We have some perfect paints. I think that these come from Ocean State job lots. This comes from your regular Walmart, whatever. And then we have Liquitex, all in different shades of orange. As I said, I'm using the Petite set A and B. So what I've done is I have just stuck them on the back of some covers. And I seriously have no idea where this is all going, so we're gonna do this together. So I chose a rectangle, a hexagon, a triangle, and a square. Okay, and then I also chose some different patterns. Here I have a Bow Bunny piece of wood that once again, it has adhesive on the back, so I just stuck it onto the back of a cover. I have a couple different laces that I want to use. I just love this look here. Then there's this beauty. And then I have this piece of fluting. I really wanted some bubble wrap, but golly gee willikers, I may have thrown it all out. So anyways, we're gonna work with what we've got, and I'm just gonna begin the process. Let's start the whole thing with this hexagon here. So we're just gonna brayer the paint on. Okay, and let's do a little bit of this embellishment here. Okay, so now what I want to do, and I don't know why, but we're going to do this. We're going to start right in the center. We're going to stamp off. Let's stamp off again over here. And some there. All right, so I'm just going to continue that process with all of these different shapes. All right, so here's this. Now let's take that and put that here and here. This is kind of cool. And let's just do a little bit off of here. It's not really orange, but it is. I'm calling it orange. All right, get that all smeared around. Okay, and here I have my flute. Alrighty, so let's do here, here, sorry, kind of think this is cool. Do another one just right there for the hay of it, because it's not going to be much. All right, now let's go to the square. That one didn't do a whole lot. And if they overlap, that's okay. So all I'm doing is just repeating this process of adding color to my gel press. Applying some type of texture to it. See, because that bent, it worked a little but not a lot. And yet another color of orange. Okay. I think I'm just using this as straight color. And I'm not caring if they overlap at this point in time. Alright, so here we have it. Just all these different colors of orange. I'm going to let that all dry. Then I'm going to come back and put on a layer of Liquitex white paint and pull this all bad boy up. And part of the reason I love having my gel presses on an acrylic mat is I can do just what you just saw, because I can have a tendency to do all kinds of pushing around up here and not really do it around here. So if I can keep swishing this thing kind of around, I'm more likely to get it all pushed down. All right. Okay, here it comes. Okay, that actually came out kind of super cool. So anyways, there is my experimentation with the 8x10 gel press and the Petites A and B, and just a few found treasures in my studio. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you have a fantabulous day.